Hello, in today's video I'll explain how to go back on your Samsung Galaxy A27. Going back within the system can be performed in different ways depending on your settings. I'll show you all different options that are possible. I'll open the Settings app to demonstrate. You can see on the bottom of my screen there are three buttons. One of them is going to be an arrow. It's either on the left or on the right side, depending on your settings. Later, I'll show you how to change it. When I click on this arrow, it goes back to the previous page within the app that I'm currently in. If I go back again, it goes back. Now I'm on the main page of settings, so if I click again, it will just go to the home screen. Now, if you would like to swap the position, you can do it. I'll show you how to do it, and later I'll show you how to do it with gestures. So let's go to Settings and Display. Then go to Navigation bar, and if you have buttons set, you can click on More Options and select the other option. Now you can see my back button is on the left side on the screen. Typically, you would put the back button on the left side if you're left-handed and on the right side if you're right-handed, but it's up to you. You can also set swipe gestures. Then the buttons will be replaced with this gesture bar. From now on, to go back, you need to swipe from the side of your screen towards the center, like that. You can see it goes back. I can also slide from the right side towards the center, and it still goes back. It doesn't go further. And additional thing about the gestures, if I slide up from the very bottom of the screen, like that, it goes to home. And if I slide up and hold, it goes to recent, the same one that you can open with the three lines button if you have buttons instead of gestures on the bottom of your screen. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.